What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with yet another review, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the 6 sneakers from the Nike On Air pack, and that is the Nike Air Max 97 in this Neon Soul colorway. First of all, I just want to say what's up to all of you guys. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh, but most people call me JD, and I am just a guy who enjoys sneakers and loves talking about them. I don't do this as a career or anything like that. I just love buying shoes and making videos and just talking about what I feel about them. So if you enjoy that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, of course, hit that like button. Thank you for all your support. So let's get into it, man. The Nike Air Max 97 Neon Soul. So how did I get these? Basically last year, Nike allowed people on the Nike sneakers app to vote for whichever design they thought was their favorite from last year's several, I don't know how many there were maybe 10 or 20 of them, and you just had to vote for your favorites. And I actually did vote for this pair. I really liked the pictures, the concept behind it. So I voted for these last year, and shout out to Nike. Like, Nike basically allowed me to get early access to this on the sneakers app a couple days ago, so that's how I was able to purchase them. So before I even begin talking about this shoe, comment down below what was your favorite from the 6 that dropped, or even comment down below if you hated all 6 of them. I know a lot of people felt that way, so let me know your thoughts down in the comments. So first of all, this box. So the box is a little different. It's all black and it says Nike On Air on the front. Unfortunately, my box showed up like this, so it is completely ruined. It's not Nike's fault, of course. This basically got ruined during the delivery. But yeah, that was very disappointing. So getting into the sneaker, this sneaker was designed by Gwang Shin, who is a graphic designer from South Korea. He designed these, and his inspiration came from a couple of things. So it came from the South Korean flag. So you can see the colors white, red, and blue, which cover the wave pattern on the sneaker. And of course, the sneaker is also inspired by the crazy neon lights that you see all over the capital city, which is Seoul. Out of the 6 sneakers that dropped part of this On Air pack, I think this one is probably the most wearable. You can never go wrong with a black sneaker. And also the oversized swoosh is something you'll never see on an Air Max 97. Definitely the most standout feature for me. On the insole of the sneaker, you see this neon pattern, which spells out Seoul. The outsoles also have 2 different neon swooshes. On the right pair, you got a blue swoosh. On the left, you got a red swoosh. And the swooshes also do look like neon lights because you can see like a bit of a glow. I like the tongue of the sneaker as well because it's in that shiny black. And on the right tongue, you have the Nike logo, and on the left, you have this Neon Soul logo, which I think is really cool as well. If there was one thing I would change about this shoe, it would probably be the leather. I would have changed it into a patent leather. I think a patent black leather would have looked absolutely sick on this shoe. If you remember a couple years ago, there was those undefeated Air Max 97s that came out in the black patent leather, and those were sick. For sizing, I went true to size on these and they fit me absolutely perfect. So no problems there. With Air Max 97s, I usually always go true to size and they fit me just fine. So my feelings for this shoe have gone up and down more than Bitcoin. So when the first pictures came out last year, like the concept photos, I of course liked them. That's why I voted for them. But then when I first saw like the prototypes, I guess I wasn't really that impressed with the execution. It did look kind of plasticky to me in some of the photos. But having these in hand, I gotta say these actually look pretty sick. I just like how the red and blue look together. And it's in this kind of like, the red and blue kind of remind me of like Jolly Ranchers, like it's got this like candy look to them. And yeah, I'm feeling that, and I think these are sick. These are probably, I don't know if they're my favorite anymore out of the 6. Like I would probably put those London pairs, the London Summer of Love. I think I like those the best. But these gotta be second. So yeah, pretty well executed. Good job, Gwang. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button and drop a like. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Peace.